Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Ford Mustang GT Premium Sport Pack Roush Stage 1. Unbelievable car. So let me tell you why. We'll start at the back in the trunk here. First of all, it's got Wearthertech floor mats and trunk mat. It's got shaker sound system, so a nice little subwoofer in the trunk. It's got the spoiler delete package, so no spoiler on the back. It's got Roush exhaust front to back, so that's front to back, Cadillac back, catalyst converter back, cat back, Roush exhaust. It is sounding absolutely amazing. You can see from here the width of the tire. That is a monster rear tire to put on here to try to get some of that horsepower down to the ground on Pilot Michelin Supersports. Nice set of rims, looking fabulous. Have a look inside here. It's got the premium leather interior. It's got Wearthertech floor mats. It's just as clean as a pin as it should be, just 9,000 kilometers. The back seat probably never sat in, but you know, there you go. On the front here, of course, you've got the Shaker 500 sound system. Super clean inside the frames here. In the glove box is the tuner for the Roush system and the tuner wheel lock for the wheels, so that you can take the wheels on and off. Just fabulous vehicle. Look at that. Deep tinted glass on that super gray metallic paint. Wow, what a great look that is. Here's your front wheel, no curb rash, no issues. Pilot Michelin Supersports, all there. The brakes are Brembo, stop you on a dime. Under the hood's the real story. Here we've got the Roush Stage 1 Supercharger on the 5-liter V8 engine with a full intake kit as well. Also, of course, you probably noticed the front suspension, rear suspension has all been lowered and adjusted to the Ford Premium Sport suspension. All of this work was done by a Ford dealer and is guaranteed. So, good to know. It's got a couple of stone chips as you would expect, nothing big, nothing major, just little chips from driving down the road. Super low with that lowered suspension and a nice front air dam. Looks outstanding. Here's your other wheel, no curb rash, no issues, Brembo brakes, painted rotors, nice looking wheels, Michelin Pilot Supersports, and the same thing on the back there. But that is a wide monster tire. So it sticks out just a wee little bit. The tread is actually inside the fender, which is what it needs to be, so we're all good there. On the driver's door, you've got the driver memory package, so 2-position memory right there. You've got power windows, power mirrors, and power locks as well. The driver's seat has a fully functional adjustment of power there with lumbar, etc., so that you can get very comfortable. Super sport steering wheel with that nice leather wrapped around it. Automatic headlamps. Let's climb in and fire it up though. This is where we're really going to notice. Ready? Wow. Super nice exhaust. Here it's got the track apps and the settings so that you can change everything right here. 9,720 kilometers. Full navigation from the factory. You've got your steering feel set up here, so you change this and that changes your steering feel there. You've got mode here so that you change your driving mode here to track. Snow and wet and track. Wow. That exhaust is crazy. Up here you've got a vacuum gauge and an oil pressure gauge as part of the sport package from the factory. So, wow, beautiful vehicle. Sounds absolutely amazing. Yeah. Power trunk under there, right there. Nice ambient lighting is set to red right now. Automatic headlamps, as I said, fog lamps right there, so we'll turn them on so we can see that as well. Beautiful car. So a lot of extras added to this baby, including a nice little air dam down, the side skirts on the bottom, and then the Mustang American Muscle racing stripe along the bottom there on Morocco. So nice looking kit. Listen to that chug. Wow. That is a beauty. So there you have it, folks. That's a 2017 Ford Mustang, 9,000 kilometers. Added the Roush Supercharger Stage 1. Back Exhaust from Roush, lowered suspension, bigger wheels and tires, deep tinted glass. It's got the shaker sound system. It's got everything you're going to need. It's here and available at munromotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I look forward to seeing you real soon.